guys, what are you doing? Have you guys not read the email I sent you about the project?
Email? Project?
You guys are literally the worst data team ever. You have 5 days, okay? 5 days. Get it done.
All right, Luke, where do you want to start? Should we begin with researching the problem more, or do we want to get aggressive and maybe even start building the data pipeline?
Everybody knows you start with EDA first.
Luke, this isn't a Kaggle competition. We don't even have the data.
Dude, there's a reason why the Python standard library includes a random number generator.
Dude, we're going to be the next Theranos if you keep this up.
Well, this will literally never happen if you keep this up, Ken.
Whatever. I'm just going to build my stuff out. You do whatever you need to do. Hey, can I actually take a look at what you're working on? Just shoot me over a link to the GitHub repo.
Repo?
How have you been versioning this whole time?
Versioning? I got track changes on in Excel.
You've got to be kidding me. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm building out the PowerPoint slides.
We haven't even done the analysis yet. How are we going to put slides together?
Dude, you're as negative as tech lead sometimes. I'm not gonna let a little data analysis get in the way of this project. What the heck are you looking at?
I'm researching the problem statement, obviously.
Research? Doesn't the product team do that?
Man, you're always looking for someone else to do your job.
So, you got that data yet? Hey Ken, check out this Power BI dashboard that I built.
Oh, that's actually pretty good. Wait, we don't even have the data yet.
You're always talking about the data.
Is this from the Titanic data set?
Never mind, forgot I showed you this. Is something burning?
Sorry, my model's training. I think I can squeeze out an extra 0.1% if I implement this transfer learning approach.
Dude, you're totally overcomplicating this. I could do this in a couple if-else statements in Excel.
Good luck getting that into production.
What are you guys doing? I just checked the comment board and it's a complete disaster. And this project is due in 2 days.
Well, how can we? Wild West over here just wants to wing everything without even having a repo.
If we do it at Ken's pace, Elon's gonna fix Twitter before it's even done.
2 days. Get it done where you're stuck doing code reviews for the interns.
Dude, are you watching Tina Wong on YouTube? I love her stuff.
No way. She is my favorite YouTuber.
She's my favorite YouTuber.
Wait, Python or R?
Python. Tabs versus spaces.
Tabs. What's your favorite fruit?
Papayas. Did we just become work friends?
Yup.
You know, I don't know how you guys managed to pull this off, but it's actually not bad. Well, on to the next step.
Next step.
Yeah, you gotta deploy with engineering.
Did we just become work friends?
Yup. Oh, that was a good one. Sorry. That hurt my hand. From the top.
From the top.
Hey guys, can I say hey guys? Or I don't
It's
know.
too nice.
Dude, do you smell that?
How did I try again?
Do it, just do it. Yeah, just like this. Do it.
It's still live. Oh, we got some great B-roll.
I could do this in a couple if-else statements in Excel.
Good luck getting that into production.
Okay, 5 days. Get it done.
I was actually really surprised.
I know. I was like, all right, that was awesome.
I'm kind of liking this role. I think it suits me.
Did we just become work friends?
Yup.
Oh, I ruined it.